Reclosing to clear temporary faults is a critical part of reliable power distribution. But what happens when a system faces a permanent underground fault? Since relays and recloser controls aren't able to determine whether the fault is on overhead conductors or the underground cable, the standard approach is to reclose all the time. But that risks damage and reduced equipment lifespan. And disabling reclosing entirely will impact the reliability of your system by introducing more permanent outages. The SEL-FT50 and FR12 fault transmitter and receiver system solves this issue. In this solution, a wireless, line-powered FT50 is installed at the riser pole outside the substation, and an FR12 is added to the feeder relay or recloser control. The FT50 actively monitors your line for faults and communicates that information to the FR12 within milliseconds. When a fault occurs on an overhead section, the FR12 tells your relay that the FT50 can see the fault on the overhead line and it is clear to reclose. But for a fault on the underground section, the FT50 does not send an indication to the FR12. After the relay trips, it does not attempt to reclose, protecting the equipment from unnecessary damage. Improve reliability and preserve your equipment with the SEL Fault Transmitter and Receiver System.